Hi, and welcome to my math activity presentation video. In this video, I will be focusing on geometrical sense within students. The materials I will be using are as followed: a geoboard, rubber bands, and a whiteboard with markers. One of two activities which I will be discussing and can be implemented in a first grade class both utilize a geoboard as a math manipulative. Since symmetry and spatial recognition of shapes are so important for students to comprehend, my first activity would require a modeled representation of what students would then have to replicate on a geoboard. So for instance, I drew out a representation of geoboard with shapes drawn in on a whiteboard. I then translated those shapes onto an actual geoboard with similar measurements and properties of the shapes drawn. This activity would focus on symmetry and spatial recognition and help students develop them further. My next activity also utilizes the geoboard, is about shape recognition and the perspectives with it. In the video, I use the example of squares. Along those lines, triangles and other shapes, for that matter, could be implemented. The main purpose for this activity is to help students recognize that various size shapes all have definitive properties which they're defined by. For instance, a triangle has 3 sides and a square has 4 sides. Circles are curved and have no point. There are so many ways in which a geoboard can be implemented. I find that it is an incredible beneficial tool to have in a classroom while developing a geometrical sense in young learners.